If you're looking for an AI tool to create consistent character images, this video is for you. There are many AI tools available today that can generate consistent character images, such as Midjourney and Leonardo. However, they all require a subscription or offer limited credits to generate images. In today's video, I'll share how to create consistent character images using a completely free AI tool. In addition to the feature of creating consistent images, this AI tool also offers many other features that we will explore today. What's special about it is that there are no limits on the number of images you can generate. So without further ado, let's dive in. This is the homepage of the PicLumen AI tool, and you can find the link in the description box. PicLumen AI is a completely free AI image generation tool where you can create art, design ideas, characters, logos, fashion designs, product images, architecture, book illustrations, game design assets, interior design, posters, flyers, and even e-commerce designs. Not only that, but it also offers several AI photo editing features like background removal, image enhancement, coloring black and white images, and more. To get started with PicLumen AI, click the Create for Free button on the home page. Then, you need to create an account using your email or log in with your Google or Apple account. After logging in, here's the main interface of the tool. Here, you can browse images created by the community. If you're out of ideas, you can search for and copy the prompts from beautiful images to use. This tool has no limit on the number of images you can generate, but each day, you get 10 priority high-speed images. Once you've used up those 10 images, the generation speed will slow down, but you can still generate unlimited images. To create your image, click the Create button on the left. Now, you'll have various generations like PicLumen Art V1, PicLumen V2, V2 generations, anime, flat sketch creation, etc. Next, here are the aspect ratio settings. We have options like 1.1, 16.9, 4:3, 8:5, 9:16, and even 21.9. It supports quite a variety of aspect ratios, right? Alright, this is the prompt box where you'll need to enter your image prompt. For example, I'm typing, a 22-year-old Latina girl, green eyes, long wavy silver white hair, smiling, portrait, surreal, 4K resolution, Ultra HD. Now, if you want to translate your prompt into another language, you can click the Auto-Translate option here. If you've entered a low quality or poor prompt, you can improve it from here. Once you're done, click the Create button to generate the image. However, you can customize the settings for a more personalized result. First, you'll find the image generation model. The default model is PicLumen Art V1. If you want to change it, click here, and you'll get a range of options. As you can see, there are many different models, but I recommend choosing the PicLumen Realistic V2 model for the best results. Once you've selected the model, go to the aspect ratio settings. Here, you can select your preferred ratio. All the popular aspect ratios are available. Next, set the number of images you want to create. Right now, you can generate up to 4 images at a time. In the prompt box, you'll find the option to upload an image to use for image-to-image generation. We'll talk about this feature next. Now, click the Create button to generate your image. It won't take long. And here's the result. It's amazing. Alright, with this method, you can create any type of image with PicLumen AI for free. But the question is, how can we create consistent character images? This is where image-to-image generation comes in. First, download an image of your character. If you already have a character image, you can skip this step. Now, click the image icon here and upload your character image by clicking here. After the image uploads, click on it. Now, we need to select the type of image reference. Here, you'll find 3 options. Content reference, to create an image similar to the reference image, style reference, to create an image in a similar style, and character reference to create a character image that resembles the reference. We need to use this option. After selecting the type of image reference, adjust the intensity. If you slide to the left, the image will be more creative. If you slide to the right, it will closely resemble the character. I'll keep it slightly to the right. Alright, now we need to enter the prompt. For example, I'm typing, A girl sitting in a cafe. This is a very simple prompt. Let's see what PicLumen generates for us. So click Create, and here it is. You can see that it generates 4 amazing images. All the images have a similar face to our reference character, from facial features to hair and eye color. Everything looks very similar to our reference character. It's fantastic. Now, with this method, you can create unlimited consistent characters. You just need to change their appearance and environment. Now, I'll enter a prompt like this. Create a portrait of a 4-year-old boy, cute face, smiling, blonde hair, carrying a backpack, walking into a school gate in a 3D cartoon style. And here are the 4 amazing results. Next, I'll download this image, and then we need to set the character reference. Click here, select the image you uploaded earlier, and choose that image as the character reference. After entering the prompt, create a portrait of a 4-year-old boy, cute face, smiling, blonde hair, carrying a backpack, standing in a forest, in a 3D cartoon style. Click the Create button, and here's the image we generated, and the result is right in front of you. They are amazing. The image quality is fantastic. I love them. Now, let's talk about how to make money using this AI tool. You can create all your character images consistently. Then, download them and use a tool to convert images into videos. There are many great tools available for converting images into videos, like Hailu AI or Kling AI. Once you have unique videos, you can use them to share your interesting stories. They could be short romantic films or cartoons for kids. If you don't have your own story, don't worry. Use ChatGPT to provide you with interesting stories. Then, share those stories on social media platforms and start your journey to make money online. All right, that's all for today's content. Thanks for watching.